Hello YouTube, Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So we're in Lekki and we're putting together our Victron 3 kVA with an MPPT 15070, a color control, and we're running this DLG box with two B4850s. I'll show you what they look like in a minute. In a house with right now no power, as you can see. Beautiful house, no power, and it's raining heavily. So in a little short while, hopefully we'll have the lights connected, and then I'll show you what we did. And on one day, God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. So we have light, we have power. Well, this is not quite as straightforward as I wanted it to be. We're not seeing our battery yet. It's inverting, so we need to figure out how to get it to see the battery. We've done all our cables. We'll tidy this up later. We've not connected our controller yet because I cannot remember how to use the MPPT control to change the settings on the charge controller. Let me show you. So this is what the finished product looks like. We have a big breaker, which was what we really liked. And then here are the batteries. So it's inside the enclosure. When it's closed, it looks just like that. So that's the look we're going for, and we really like it. So once we figure out how to get the MPPT control to work, we'll turn the charge controller on, and then we'll go back and figure out why we're not getting the battery to communicate with the Victron color control. You see the Victron color control, it's inverting, there's no grid. Okay, it's missing the PV because we disconnected it and we connected the MPPT control to it. So we'll figure it out, and once we figure it out, we'll make it work. I don't know, what else can I add? In time, would you say this was relatively easy? So, say that again?
In terms of the setup.
Well, the setup looks neater, but it wasn't quite as straightforward. One of the things we didn't like was the fact that this here was not big enough for the cables we want to run through them, so we had to remove that I didn't like. We'll come back and tidy this. This is an old job we did 3 years ago, and we've come a long way in 3 years. So we'll come back and tidy that. You see our charge controller is blinking because PV is off. And also it's raining heavily. Let me take you outside so you can see. It's been raining since before we got here, and it's still raining. Look at the little boy enjoying himself in the rain. That's what kids do. So, well, we'll figure it out. Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, click the subscribe button. If you have any comments, please post them in the comment section below. Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from
Lagos, Nigeria.
And that's Tosi. Tosi seems to feature in a lot of our videos all of a sudden.